Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the holochain. At this time the holochain holders doing a very big mistake, so please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. For more details keep watching this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and update friends. Anyways, if we talk about the current price of the holochain, so this time price of the holochain as about 0.013075 USD dollar is the current price of the holochain. If we talk about the price changes occur in the holochain, so the last 1 hour price change is negative, the last 1 day price change is positive, and last 1 week price change is again negative friends. So only the last 20 pricing is positive. That's mean that the holochain start pumping and the yesterday friends. But now at this time the currently the holders doing a very big mistake, so I want to aware all of you that please don't do this mistake, wake up. And as you can see on this time and these points the holder is doing a big mistake. As you can see on this time the funds occur in the holochain, so they understand that it's a continuously falls of the holochain and they want to sell holochain. Absolutely friends, don't do this mistake. That is a very big mistake then that you want to sell holochain. No, it's not time to sell holochain. It's time to only and only hold holochain and make a good amount of profit with the holochain and the future friends. As you can see here now in the last 1 day pricing is positive, so that means that the holochain have a great deal friends at this time friends. 1.87% positive change occur in the holochain and the 24 hours. And if we talk about the highest price change, the highest price of the holochain in the 24 hours, 0.013444 USD dollar is the highest price of the holochain and the 24 hours friends. My prediction about holochain is very positive. That is why I suggest for all of you that please hold it and don't sell it. Don't do this mistake. Don't sell it holochain at this time friends. It's only time to hold holochain. What's your prediction about holochain? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe. Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Thank you so much for watching this video friends.